Hey, ooh, there's a little top heavy there. Um, Sorry about that. I think you were listening to Monticello at 9.33 megahertz. This is the new. PRUNUS has been nice to send me their brand new radios that have just come out. This is the PRUNUS J-81. It sells for $21.99 on Amazon. AM, FM, two shortwave bands, which I'll show you in a second. It has three sources of power. Has a built-in 1200 milliamp rechargeable battery, and you can put in two D-cell batteries if you wish. Right now, I'm out of D-cell batteries, and it has a solar panel on the back for backup boost, they call it. It's also Bluetooth, and it's also MP3. So it's got all the functions. It's got a telescopic antenna that's about 18 inches for shortwave and FM. Got an earphone jack. Let me set my notes down so I can show you some of the stuff up close. There's the controls for the MP3 player. There's the TF card slot, USB slot. You can either have it in radio mode or Bluetooth/MP3. Got a carrying handle. Over here, we have the band select. We have the charging port, and we have the earbud jack. Nothing here. There is the solar panel, and down there is where the rechargeable battery goes. Okay, let's set it back down. I think what I'm going to do, it's a little tipsy there. I'm going to zoom in on the radio. I was a little surprised that it came in a white box. Typically, PRUNUS radios, let me get one, comes in a box like this, red and white, with their name on it and everything. So that was a little bit of a surprise. Next surprise, which I don't like, and I'll try to explain why, is watch the tuning. And I got a lot of glare, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm going to turn. This is the tuning knob. This is tone. This is on-off volume. I'm going to turn the knob to the right, which you would expect the dial to go to the right. Guess what? It went to the left. I turn it to the left. It goes to the right. That would really confuse me. And the reason it would confuse me is that 99% of other radios that have a tuning dial like this, you turn to the right, the dial goes to the right. So if this was your only radio, you could get used to the dial working backwards. But if you were switching between this radio and a conventional dial radio, I think it would bother you. I don't know, but I think it would bother you. It would bother me. And what did I do with the manual? Oh, here's the manual. Nice big print. Now, the other thing that's a little confusing is this says J-81S. On Amazon, where they're for sale for $21.99, it's just advertised as a J-81. So I don't know if this is a newer version, which right now you might only be able to get on the PRUNUS website. That might be the case. So this is an updated version in different ways. I don't know exactly how it's updated. I'm looking at the manual to see if it says anything at the beginning here. Nope. But it's FM, standard US FM, standard US AM. Shortwave is 3.2 to 10 megahertz. And the second shortwave band is 10 megahertz to 22 megahertz. Okay. The tuning, this is the next thing. Oh, the size. Let me see, I'll tell you the size. The size is, get the camera. Okay, we're done. 7.3 inches by 4.7 inches by 3 inches. So it's pretty good size. And, oops, it's a little tipsy there. And if you put those D-cell batteries in it, it's going to be a little hefty. Now, I mentioned twice now that it's a little tipsy, but you can solve that by using this as a kickstand. And there you go. Now it's stable. Tuning on shortwave is difficult. Not only the way the band dial goes backwards, I call it, is it mutes with tooting. And it does it pretty bad. Let me see if I can illustrate. There's another station, up about 16. Okay, I'm going down. I wanted to go up. So I have to turn this way. And if you're turning at all fast, it's muted. You won't hear anything. So you got to tune really slow. Get time to come out of the muting. Probably won't get much. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so I won't get much. Now, let me go to shortwave band 1. That was shortwave band 2. I think it was 2. No, that was 1. Oh, I guess I changed it. Okay, if we want to go back there, we gotta turn it this way. So it's picking up some shortwave stations. I'm really surprised because it's the middle of the afternoon. Okay, so let's try AM. There's AM. And we're at the bottom of the band, 520. And I'm turning it the wrong way.
Remember the narrowpath.com.
Getting a little interference. Getting a little squeal there. There, I got it tuned better. There we go. That's good.
Back to the Narrow Path radio broadcast. My name is Steve Gregg, here by Farron.
Oh, yeah. Has no problem picking up AM stations.
The thing about this game is weekends of the year.
Yeah, okay. Let's go to FM. We'll have to watch out for music.
Get up and go during the day and helps me. In a crash, don't let the system scare you.
Wow.
We make it simple.
Plenty of volume. Nice and clear. Oh, yeah. I'm going fast. Stay away from music.
Radio.
So it picks up a lot of stations on FM, including music. Okay. Nice big speaker. It's mono, of course. I don't know. Let me look in the manual here. I don't know if the headphone jack is stereo or not. Well, where is it in the manual? Okay, it's not there. The pages sticking together? No, not sticking together. How to use our radio, better reception, Bluetooth. Ah, here it is, back page. Radio will mute the speaker when you use the earphones. It doesn't say that it's stereo. I don't think it's stereo. I don't think it's stereo. Okay. Let me look at my other notes here. User-friendly. Yeah, it's user-friendly except the fact of that tuning knob. That I sent them an email. I think they're on vacation right now. I sent them an email, ask them, did this particular radio right here, get the tuning dial routed wrong and it turns backwards, or is that the way it is? So when I find out the answer to that question, I'll put the answer in a comment below this video. I think that's about it. We can try some free music from the YouTube library. So we'll go to Bluetooth MP3.
Play by TF card.
There we go. Next track. Yeah. Wow. Good sound and plenty of it. Wow. Just turn it back up.
Play by TF card.
I turned it too far and I turned it off. It remembers where it was. So it's a pretty nice radio, except for the things that bug me, which is the tuning backwards. That bothers me. And on shortwave, muting while tuning. You can get used to that by just tuning real slow and writing down what stations you want to listen to or what you've heard. It wouldn't be a good radio for finding new stations with that muting, because you're going to miss a lot of them with that. That's about it. I want to thank them for sending me this radio. Again, it came in kind of a plain box, but it's got good packaging inside. I'm not going to take it out. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. And I want to thank PRUNUS for sending me this. And I want you to have a happy New Year. Bye-bye.